how to turn off autopay on eBay. So here's what you want to do. First, make sure you are signed into your eBay account. Now the next thing that we need to do is to go search for buyer management eBay. Now you can't directly access this page from within eBay, so we will Google search for it, and once we click on it, this is again going to be the official eBay website. So here, once we are on buyer management, you want to scroll down until you see buyer rules. You can uncheck these, so require buyers to provide a payment method before they place a bid, and also require all buyers to provide a payment method before they can make an offer. So if you want to turn off autopay, then you will uncheck these two, and then you will just click on save changes, and that way people won't have to have a payment method added before they can make an offer on your stuff. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.